Hey guys!
Hi guys!
We're back with another video sponsored by Izzy and Liv. Check out Izzy and Liv on Instagram. We'll link them below. They are a lifestyle brand made for women of color and is popularly known for their brown sugar box. In our previous video, you saw us open up the brown sugar and king box, which I was very, very impressed with.
Blown away.
Blown away. Excellent, excellent boxes with great treats and goodies that I am using today. When I go home, when I go to bed tonight, I still put on that bonnet. I think that's my favorite item.
You see me with mine on.
You're right. Richard has on his item, and the brown sugar box is a monthly. The brown sugar box is a monthly subscription box. But this time we're gonna do something different for the kids. The kids have a quarterly subscription box, and if you're interested, we're gonna show you. We haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna let the girls see what's inside. So let's start opening it, and then we'll talk about it. I'll talk about all the information as we go along.
Are we gonna share, or everything is mine?
No, mine.
You each have your own.
Oh, this is so nice. Let me
How
just see
pretty
what
is that?
specifies. Anything different on here?
I want mine.
Okay, you're gonna get.
I want mine. No, that's not mine.
Okay, so they are the exact same box.
Yes, Rich, the exact same box from pants. They're absolutely beautiful. Let's talk about the artwork on the box. There's a little girl with a side pony. What a coincidence. She has a side pony like the girls. A side pony. I should have put the little bow in
And
her
we
hair.
actually just took it out the bag, so we didn't know that was.
That she had a
was
side pony. And yeah, and she has blowing bubbles. It says brown sugar box for kids. All right, girls, let's turn the box around and let's open it up.
No, not mine.
Okay, turn it around, please.
Let's watch Rain open hers first, okay?
Okay.
This way. Turn it around. The other way.
Rain's gonna open hers.
Keep
Let's see what
turning it.
Rain got, and then we'll open Royce's.
Keep turning.
Okay.
This way.
You excited?
Now you open.
Yeah.
She got bubbles. Let's see. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, let's watch Rain's first.
Excuse me, be nice.
Open mine.
Can I please see the magazine?
Open mine first.
We're gonna
Why
watch Rain.
Tiana is our favorite.
Mine. Wait, look at these.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all right. So you know what? I'm gonna let her do her thing. She's in the mood of just being bossy. Look, let's show the headphones, Daddy, first.
So, as you see, we've got headphones.
Let Royce open hers. It's the same thing, babe. So that she can look and be surprised at the same time. Oh, what cute socks!
Ready, Royce?
Wow! Hey, no hitting.
What just happened?
She just pushed on her face for being excited.
Shit.
Be nice.
We're gonna have to put a cardboard.
Right, be nice. Okay, go ahead. Continue going through your stuff. I'll talk about it as you go through it, and then we'll show it.
So, they both have these.
Oh my.
And it says Queen in Training. Rose gold headphones. Those are beautiful. I want to wear those myself. Oh, and you have a shirt. What does it say? Queen in Training. Yes. Not Princess in Training. She is a queen in
Oh,
training.
this is really nice.
That is really nice.
Okay.
Okay, so let me see, Royce. This one is really Royce's shirt.
Oh,
and this
okay.
one is Rain's. This one says,
Swapperoo.
it must be the melanin. Yes, it must be the melanin.
Royce. Easy.
It must be the melanin. So cute. Oh, what is that, Rain?
It's mine.
It's a make your own magic jumbo puzzle.
This is a puzzle.
Show the camera.
My puzzle.
It's a puzzle.
Open mine.
Very
We're not gonna
nice.
open the puzzle yet.
Puzzle.
Yes, we'll play with it. Let's see what else you got.
This.
What are those?
These.
Those are the Glam Princess stud earring set.
Oh, you
Look
got those
how
too?
cute these are. They have the girl with two little afro puffs. They have a girl with a crown, butterflies, and then they have a girl with an afro. Really, 4 pairs of earrings in here. Really, really good.
Look at this.
Oh, that's a memory card game.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So
You have one.
Black
can
Girl
color.
Magic. I love memory cards, especially for their age. That's really great.
And this.
they can color on the box, so you get a little multi-use.
Oh, I love that. So cute.
Don't be
So let's look through
mine.
our items. So you already talked about. They both have these earrings.
I love it.
Right.
Don't
A
be mine.
Melanin
Have these
Princess.
headphones.
30-page sketchbook.
Don't be mine first.
This is so beautiful. Look at the ballerina, and this fits them perfectly because they go to ballet, so they're all into that. These little girls like really look like them.
Right. This fits them completely.
This fits you perfectly. Like you, this really looks like you.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And that's me.
That's Reign and Royce.
Yeah.
How
no.
adorable.
I love
I want to see
me.
what some of the cards
Royce.
look like.
Reign.
Okay, go ahead, open it up and let's show everyone. Be careful.
So we
Don't
got
spill
those.
it.
Mine.
Then we got socks.
My
Oh, with little ballerinas on them.
No, my socks.
A brown. Yeah, I know it's your socks.
Okay.
So we got a brown ballerina on the socks.
Red Riding Hood.
And
Show everyone. You gotta show everyone. You see how it's Red Riding Hood? So when we're done, I'm gonna lay them out on the table and we're gonna play a memory game. You have to try to guess which card matches
Oh.
with the one card. I really like that. You guys play that?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, that's a really, really good game. Let's talk about what's in here. You wanna open this up?
yes. Now open this. I'm open
No,
this.
that's a puzzle. You're not gonna open that yet.
I'll open this.
This one is yours.
This is mine.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah.
Purple. And they actually don't
Wanna
have a
put it
tutu
on?
their colors. So cute.
I can take this and go.
You can take it on a boat. Where you going? You going on vacation?
You're going on a cruise.
Oh, okay. Let's stand up and let's put it on, babe.
Oh, nice.
Pupas.
I like it.
No, I want socks.
You want socks?
Super cute.
on right now.
Go girl. Go girl. Go girl. Go girl. So this box that they are opening is for girls ages 4 through 8. And I think it's perfect for them.
These are yours.
A lot of things they can use. I can save some of these things for later uses. They love puzzles, so puzzles is gonna be perfect for them. And do you see how beautiful this little princess is on the front of the box for the puzzle?
She plays soccer.
Play soccer.
These are just perfect representations of young black girls who is becoming our queen. I absolutely love it. I wish I had this when I was little. I needed this when I was little, especially being the only black girl
Also, different
in
stuff,
school.
And
It's really nice.
brown girls.
It's just really, really nice. You know,
Doing all
growing
the
up, I was the
activities.
only black girl in my class, so I really needed this to empower me.
Right.
I really, obviously my parents empowered me, but this is a really, representation matters. So I think this is amazing. I think this is great. I absolutely
Very
love
nice.
these headphones.
And then I had
They're gonna
this.
think they can tune us
And I
out,
had this
but maybe
in
we'll
the
give them a
airport.
little half an hour music
Where are you gonna have
time.
that, Rain?
In the airport.
Oh.
To myself.
Okay, I'm doing too
She's
much
going,
talking.
and apparently she's going to the airport, and then she's getting on a boat.
Right.
So Rain's going on a cruise soon that we don't know about.
That we didn't know about, that we didn't book,
Mm-hmm.
but she booked it, honey.
She got
And
plans.
the earrings are absolutely adorable.
And my
And of
earrings.
course, each box comes with a magazine. That's what I was reading. I guess I didn't tell you guys. I was reading a magazine to tell you what each item is in the book. And then it has like different things inside of the magazine. This has Princess Gold Why Tiana. Why Tiana is our favorite. Tiana is my favorite as well.
Tiana.
Tiana's our favorite because she is brown and beautiful.
No.
She's an awesome cook, just like her mama or grandma.
Tiana.
Yep. She is smart and she is working for what she wants. She is
Look at
strong. All of that. They have some
Nice,
coloring in
look at
there.
that.
What is that?
Got
Recipe?
Yeah.
Really nice.
Yeah, they included some really beautiful stuff in here.
With a really pretty princess on the front of it. And I'm
All
sure,
those little
and a
crafts
nice little,
for the winter.
in the back. Is that what they said that?
Open
Winter
mine.
snacks.
Open mine.
You want to put socks on?
Yeah.
Did you see these socks? The different.
Yeah, the socks are really cute.
Mine.
So on the box, when you get it, Now, the price of the box, we didn't talk about the price, babe. How much does it cost? $39.95 every quarter. $40. Look how much stuff you get in this box for $40. Like,
And this is original stuff.
Very
I haven't
original.
seen this anywhere.
Let me open it for you. I have not seen this anywhere. You cannot get this in a store. I absolutely love their products. Whoever comes up with the designs for this, genius.
I'm gonna show it to like everyone.
You want to show
These
everyone?
are so cute. Go ahead, move, hold it up a little higher.
So that one is the, it's a ballerina and she's on a unicorn and a castle.
That's perfect because all these little girls nowadays are loving the unicorns. So it's perfect. And on the box it says you could win a free kids brown sugar box. If you color this illustration in, ask your parent or guardian to take a photo or video of you showing off your creation. Girls, no fighting. Ask a parent or guardian to take a picture of you showing off your creation or items in this box and remind them to post and tag us, Izzy and Liv, and hashtag Brown Sugar Box Kids, or email social@izzyandliv.com. One of you will be chosen to win the next box free. We might also feature you on our website or social media. So that is a great way to get into a little contest, see if you win a free box. Who doesn't want to win something for free?
Especially one of these boxes.
Right, one of these boxes, I love it. It must, I really like, did you see the shirt, babe? It must be the melody.
Yeah, really, really nice.
Show them that shirt one more time. That's
This is mine. No, they're mine. This is mine. Don't
really cute.
They're mine.
So each box comes with at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This box came with 8 things. 8 things and a beautiful box and something to color in. I think it's well worth the money. I 100% stand behind Izzy and Liv. Girls, do you like all your stuff?
Yeah.
What are you gonna say?
Thank you, Izzy.
Oh,
Yes, thank you so much, Izzy and Liv, for sending the girls these boxes. And like I said, guys, we will leave all the links below so that you can get your young lady in your life, your goddaughter, your cousin, your niece, whoever, a nice little young lady who deserves this. All little princesses, all of our brown princesses deserve this box. So definitely check them out. Let's get these melanin princesses, these brown sugar quarterly subscription box. I know they, like, every 3 months they'll really be looking for this. So definitely it's a nice treat. It's only every 3 months, so it's a really good treat.
Yeah.
Definitely something to empower them and make them feel good about themselves, build up their confidence. Absolutely.
and if you haven't seen our video when we opened the other boxes for adults, that I'll link right here. And you can check those out because those are really, really cool. That, like we said before, that had us blown away. Just in case you haven't seen that video.
Yeah, go back and watch that one to see what they offer for adults. Stand up one more time, girls. Let's show them your skirts. And let's give them a little shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching the girls open up these lovely subscription boxes of Izzy and Liv. And until the next vlog, continue to live
Rich
and jazzy life.